Google image showing distance between Sham Vihar and under construction railway corridor. Meo Industrial area along with IMT Sohna and nearby to Sham Vihar. Sham Vihar is located very near to KMP Ecpressway as seen on Google Map. All previous images of Google Map shows authenticity of the location of Sham Vihar. After knowing facts, now we believe that you have made up your mind to buy plot at Sham Vihar. To book a plot at Sham Vihar, call Neelam 9911 7111 25, Manesh 8377 945 444. Looking forward to meet you at our office.